Guys, what if I tell you that you can study for free in Turkey? Yes, literally for free. BSc program, master's program, and even PhD program entirely for free. Okay, the Turkish government scholarship is currently out and it covers all program level, it covers all courses. Yes, literally all courses. Your tuition fee is fully paid for. And if you are lucky to be studying a course that require that you do them in both Turkish and English, there is a provision of up to a year for you to learn the Turkish language for up to a year before you can start your program squarely, and everything is fully paid for. Accommodation is provided for everyone that is granted this fully funded Turkish government scholarship. A one-off flight ticket is also provided so that you'll be able to use it to travel from your home country to Turkey to be able to study in any course and in any program. Health insurance is also provided. And for undergraduate program, a monthly stipend of up to 4,500 Turkish lira is provided, while graduate program up to 6,500 to 9,000 Turkish lira is also provided. That's for master's program, 6,500, and PhD program, 9,000 Turkish lira is provided. So which means you have no excuse whatsoever. The application is currently open, which means it's going to be ending very, very soon. And on this video, I'm going to be doing the step-by-step application procedure for you to be able to apply and submit your application before it ends. And like I said, you have nothing to lose. This is one of the programs that you don't want to hoard. You want to share it to everyone. And if you're just coming across our channel, this is Japa with your days. On this channel, we are very, very committed to your Japa and your relocation plan. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, please like and subscribe to this channel so that by the time we drop information and opportunities like this, you will be the first person to get notification. Don't forget to also share it to your loved one and give this video a thumbs up. So let's explore the step-by-step application procedure to learn and study for free in Turkey this year, 2025. So this is the official website of the government of Turkish Scholarship Board, okay? And of course, like I always do, I'll providing the link to this website. I'll be providing it on the video description for you to do extensive research yourself. I'm just going to be very brief on this video, but let's quickly check what this scholarship entails and to whom it is meant for. Apart from providing education opportunities and at an international caliber, as well as a wealth of knowledge and experience, Turkey offers scholarship to international students from all over the world to study in the most prestigious universities in Turkey. Turkish Scholarship is a government-funded competitive scholarship program awarded to outstanding students and researchers to pursue full-time or short-time program at a top university in Turkey. And as you can see, the application has opened from the 10th of January and is going to be ending from 20th of February. So, which means you have about 2 weeks to be able to submit your application, about 2 weeks, and that should be more than enough for you. That is all you need, okay? If you have all your documents available, like I've been saying it from time to time, that should be more than enough for you to submit your application. Now, let's quickly check what does this scholarship covers. Let's check what the scholarship covers. Now, it provides universities and departmental placement, unlike other higher education scholarship programs. It covers your tuition fees for the duration of your program. It allows you to learn the language of the country, study with 1 year Turkish language. These resources are diversified in your academic research, and daily life becomes more pleasurable. It provides accommodation for students arriving from a new country. It supports you on your journey to Turkey. And when you return to your country at the end of the education period, it covers your one-off flight ticket, allow you to take full advantage of widespread health services when necessary with health insurance. It provides monthly stipend of up to 4,500 Turkish lira at associate and bachelor level, and 6,500 Turkish lira at master's level, and 9,000 Turkish lira at PhD level. Wow. this is fantastic. I mean, this is too good to be true. Apply. Now, let's quickly check the application calendar. The application calendar. Now, the application is already open, like I said, January 10th to February 20th. Evaluation process is going to take place by March, April, and May. Interview period will be scheduled for June and July. Announcement of results for early August. You can expect the announcement of results, while initial procedure will take place by August. Now, transfer or guarantee of student scholarship is expected to resume by September. And if you want to do any further reading, you can do that yourself. Let's quickly check the 5 steps to applying for this scholarship. The 5 steps to applying for this scholarship: create your personal account on the Turkish scholarship application system. Step 2, upload all required documents. It will also be beneficial for you to include your extracurricular activities and achievements in different fields there. Third step, list your dream universities and program preferences. For bachelor program, what that means is for bachelor program, I prefer, for instance, University of Karabakh, and I would like to study BSc management, MSc management, or PhD management. That is what this is referring to here. And step 4, write an original letter of intent explaining your preferences, expectations, and goals for the future. That's what they call motivation letter. And in fact, thank God, they have already written for you step by step what should be involved in the motivation letter or the letter of intent, explaining your choice of preference, your expectations of the program, and goals for the future. Those are the 3 content, essential content. So which means you can build like a 3-paragraph. Paragraph 1, why you are choosing that course, why it's relevant to you. Paragraph 2, your expectations of the program, what you intend to learn, how you intend to use the information there, and goals for the future. Paragraph 3. I mean, very simple and very easy. After reviewing all the stages and document, approve your application, meaning you submit your applications after reviewing that everything that you have submitted and listed on the application system is very correct and good to go. Then you submit at the 3rd step. So let's quickly just check some other evaluation and selection process together again. So preliminary assessment, all applications are examined on the basis of basic criteria such as minimum academic achievement, age limit set for each level of education, and required documents. Okay, and applications from eligible candidates are considered by the expert committee in terms of various criteria. So they will also evaluate your application, then test. This also involves a 30-question quantitative test consisting of mathematics, geometry, and logic questions is held for undergraduate candidates prior to the face-to-face interview. So which means undergraduate candidates are only going to be facing an online test prior to them scheduling a one-on-one face-to-face interview with them. And there is also, of course, the next one is interview and the final assessment. Now, let's look at the applications criteria and some eligibility information that you need to take note of. Please take note of this essential part that I'm going to be mentioning now so that you don't have to be asking the questions on the comment section again. Now, application criteria. Minimum academic achievement for associate and bachelor degree candidates, at least 70%, for graduate candidates, 75%. For candidates of health sciences, medicine, dentistry, and the pharmacists, they want you to at least achieve 90%. Okay, 90%. And I think they are referring to in terms of you maintaining the scholarship every year. This is what you are expected to be able to maintain for every academic session. Okay, now age criteria for associate and bachelor degree program, you must be under 21 years of age to be able to apply or to be able to benefit. For master's program, you must be under the age of 30 years. Okay, you must be under the age of 30 years for you to be able to apply for master's program. While for PhD program, you must be under the age of 35 years. Okay, 35 years. But for research scholarship, that is for postdoc and the likes, you must be under the age of 50 for you to be able to apply. Now, eligibility criteria and the group of people that can apply. Citizens from all countries can apply. Graduates or those who graduate at the end of the current academic year can also apply. As long as you'll be graduating before August of this year, you can apply. researchers and academics can apply. Those that cannot apply are these: Turkish citizens and individuals who have lost Turkish citizenship, individuals who are currently enrolled in the programs in Turkish university at the level of education cannot apply. These are the people that are not eligible to. Okay, now let's now assume that you are ready to submit your application. What do you have to do? For instance, you see this session here. Once you click on applications, it will open this page for you. If you have already created if you're already registered, it will just ask you to enter with your email and some essential information that you need to be able to log in and your password. But if you have not yet registered, you need to click on this place and it will load a page for you to be able to register your applications, where they will be able to assign you a unique reference number to be able to log in any day, anytime, to either monitor the process or to submit your application later or any other thing that you want to do. But this is where you'll be able to register and create your applications and follow particularly the 5 steps that you need to follow for you to be able to apply to the government of Turkish scholarship. And very, very easy, within 10 minutes or 15 minutes of your time. If you have every doc available on your computer, you should be able to spend about 10 to 15 minutes to submit for this scholarship. And like I said, it is ending on the 20th of February. So which means that's about 2 weeks. You have about 2 weeks to submit your applications for this. So you have no time to, to be able to waste on this. And I'm very, very sure if you meet your resources, and of course, if you do essential reading, especially, let me quickly say this, some school in Turkey, some of them require that you have maybe IELTS, language proficiency. Some don't, some require it. And some even ask for GRE and all of those tests of English certificates. They always require it. But one of the things I've learned about them is this: don't let that stop you. Even if they are asking for some information that you don't have, submit your application. You might be lucky, like my friend, that do not have any IELTS or any GRE, but still got the funding because he was able to convince them on the interview day that he's got what it takes, and they gave him a conditional scholarship that he can come to Turkey. They will pay for him to study the IELTS and the GRE. If he is able to pass, especially for the university that he was, I think it is, I've forgotten the name of the university, because it was that university before he now moved to Karabakh University. Then he went there, they gave him like about 6 months to study for GRE and IELTS, and until he's able to pass, before he will be fully admitted into the scholarship program and to study the PhD program that he went for. So don't let anything stop you. Apply for it, do everything that you need to do. You can be lucky. Just get to the stage of the interview where you'll be able to convince them that you've got everything that that the scholarship required. You've got everything to take to study for the program that you are going for. And if there's anything that they want that you don't have, also convince them that when you come over, you are going to study for it, you're going to apply for it, and you're going to give it to them. It's very, very possible. It's very, very possible. I know of my very good friend that used it to finish his PhD last year at Karabakh University, and is currently a postdoc candidate in one of the universities in USA now. So it is very, very possible. That is why I am even very excited about these informations for all my viewers and subscribers. Okay, so don't forget, this is Japa with their days. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. It is very, very important for us. And don't forget to share it to your loved ones. Till we come your way next time with another wonderful informations and opportunities for you to be able to achieve your Japa and relocation plan this year. Bye-bye for now.